Okay, now let's talk about mixtures and solutions. What is the same for mixture or solution, and then what is different? So what is the same is that for both mixtures and solutions, we are combining two or more substances. So for both mixtures and solutions, we are combining two or more substances. The difference is that what happens after you make the mixture. For example, in a mixture, a couple of things happen. Number one, all the substances maintain their physical properties. Number two, they can be easily separated. And number three, well, when you mix them, they just sit there and rest on the bowl. Nothing else, nothing new is created. On the other hand, you have solutions. When you have a solution, a couple of things happen. Number one, the substances, they change their physical property because they dissolve. And number two, they cannot be easily separated. So when something dissolves, as you remember, two things happen. Number one, the substance breaks down into smaller sizes that cannot be seen anymore. And number two, the substance spreads out evenly in the water. So that's the main difference between a mixture and a solution. Good luck in your presentation.